What do Tony Robbins, Wim Hof, Tara Brach and most successful people in the world have in common? A morning ritual. Tim Ferriss has interviewed some of the most inspiring and successful people in the world. And in his books, Tribe of Mentors and Tools of Titans, morning rituals is one of the things that stands out to be one thing that all of these people have in common. Hi Reshapers, welcome to Reshape the Stars. My name is Marcus and I help people reshape their life. In this video we're going to be talking about 3 morning rituals that I do myself every day, and if you watch this video to the end I'm going to be adding a bonus about vision boarding and manifesting things into your life in a no bullcrap way. Ritual number 1. The first ritual that I do every morning when I wake up is a mindset and meditation ritual. It's actually a combination of Wim Hof breathing, Tony Robbins priming and Tara Brach guided meditation. I feel that these 3 things combined in the morning are a great way to prep my mind and energy for the day ahead. I've already covered a video on the Wim Hof breathing method and you can watch it on this channel. I'll put it in the description below. In basic terms, you get as much oxygen into your lungs and body as possible. It awakens every cell in your body and gets the pH balance right in your blood. Wim Hof breathing is an incredibly powerful way to start the day as soon as you wake up. I then go straight into the Tony Robbins priming. Tony Robbins priming is a combination of breathing, moving, it's a form of meditation, gratitude and goal planning. Again, this is another powerful tool to start your day. I always do this after the Wim Hof breathing, but it just does what it says on the tin. It gets you primed for the day. After the Tony Robbins priming, I then do a guided meditation by Tara Brach. I'm not an expert on meditation, but I do know this, that it has been a very powerful thing to add into my daily routine. All of this morning mindset stuff takes me around about 30 minutes, and I know what you're thinking. I know some of you out there are thinking right now, I don't have 30 minutes in the morning because I've got to commute into work, I've got to take the kids to school, I've got other things to do, and there's this list of things that'll go on and on and on. And we all have these things to do in the morning, so I understand it. Now admittedly, I don't have kids, and I don't have a commute into work Monday to Friday, but I do work from home as a music agent and I tour around the UK and Europe as a performing artist at the weekends. I've obviously also started this channel Reshape the Stars, and this takes up a lot of my time, along with finishing off renovating our house and other jobs and all these other things that come into our day-to-day life. But I do understand it is going to be harder for some people than it is for others. The point is, you need to create your day around your routines and the way that you live your work-life balance. For me personally, because I have all this other stuff going on in my life, I just get up an hour before I need to get up so I can get this morning mindset in place along with some of my other morning rituals before I start the day. And obviously that isn't always possible. We're only human, we do have other things going on in our life all the time. But even with all of this stuff, you can always find at least 10 minutes in your day to just get your mindset right before you start the day. In the words of Tony Robbins, if you don't have 10 minutes a day, you don't have a damn life. In my line of work, it's very easy to never switch off. So for this reason, I've really adopted the habit of turning my phone on silent or into flight mode before I go to bed, and I don't turn it back on again until I've done all my morning rituals and I'm ready to start the day. Ritual number 2, a positive cold shower. There's a lot of research on the health benefits of a cold shower, but aside of that, it's just a great way to seriously wake you up in the morning. After my morning mindset ritual, I always jump into a cold shower whilst listening to motivational videos on YouTube or podcasts whilst I have a cold shower, and I just feel it gives me the energy and motivation to get myself ready for ritual number 3. After the mindset ritual and cold shower, I always hit the gym or go on a walk with the dogs in the morning. But before I go to the gym, I have a little added thing of a cocktail of healthy supplements along with arginine, organic turmeric, beetroot powder, haritaki and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. A great cocktail of things that are just good for your body and mind. I then go to the gym and do a 45-minute workout or do a 30 to 40-minute walk with the dogs, because again, this is putting yourself first and giving yourself some self-love. And I don't mean self-love looking in the mirror thinking, I look amazing. Or check out the guns. I actually mean having the respect for yourself and self-love to put yourself first in order to serve other people better. Because when you feel your best, you'll give your best. You'll then just vibrate with positive energy, and then all that positive energy will just spill and flow into all the people that you come into contact with throughout the day. If you just have a good start to your day, you can then just bring that good day to others. You'll always know when someone around you is on a low vibration or projecting negative energy. So you just need to make sure that you've got a shield of positive energy around you to protect yourself against any negative coming in. We're all only human and we don't have to be perfect, but like anything else, it's all of those little steps along the way towards the desired destination that counts. The big point is doing something is better than doing nothing. So if you can start your day with good intention, you're certainly going to achieve more than just plodding along. I promised a bonus about vision boards and attracting things that you want into your life, so here goes. There's a saying that I heard from Tony Robbins, where focus goes, energy flows. So think about a vision board for the things that you want to have, the places that you want to go, and things that you want to do. So you don't need to just write these things down, because that is important, but that's goal planning. Vision boarding is like goal planning, but just on the next level. A vision board puts those goals into pictures, and then when you read your goals every day, you can go and look at those pictures, and then by doing that, you can visually see what you want to manifest into your life. I 100% believe in the law of attraction, and before I lose you, I don't mean just all this woo-woo stuff. I'm really real about this. You can't just write something down and look at some pictures and think, oh, I'll get this, I'm gonna get this, I'm gonna get this one day, and poof, it magically comes into existence. It just runs much more deep than that. If it was as easy as that, everybody would be doing it. But I'll say again, the law of attraction is 100% real. So when you've got your goals and your vision board, in order to make them goals and vision boards come into reality, I'm going to give you a few little steps of how to get the law of attraction into motion and working for you. You first must write down your goals and then create a vision board of the goals that you want to achieve. This must be a burning desire that you will and must achieve. So the first thing is the desire. You just have to have the desire towards taking the next step that makes the law of attraction really work. So the next big step is action. You must take massive action in the steps towards making your goals and desires become a reality. You need to figure out what will it take for you to achieve them goals and desires. And then I'll say it again, take massive action steps towards those goals. And then here's the third one in the little triangle of making the law of attraction work for you. And this is where it gets a little bit hard for everybody. It's the belief. You need to truly believe that it can happen, and that you're worthy of it happening, and that you're grateful for the things that you already have, and the things that you must have as if you've already received them. So let me say that again. Be grateful for the things that you must have. These are your goals and desires as if you already have them. Now this all comes back to this video. It's all about the mindset and getting yourself prepped and meditating in the morning and just getting yourself ready for the day. Because in that preparation and that gratitude, you are thinking about all of this stuff and all the things that you want to achieve, all the things that you must make happen, all the achievements and goals that you want to manifest into your life. Now I know all of this is much easier said than done, because we don't always manifest things into our life the way that we expect it to happen or in the time frame that we expect it to happen in. But if it's a true burning desire and you take massive action towards that desire and you truly believe in yourself, in your actions towards achieving the things that you want to achieve, you will 100% manifest it into your life. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Marcus. Remember, you create a world that you design. Enjoy the journey and reshape your life.